I never finished this stop motion and probably never will. I will just talk about what could have happened. The Gogg reaches the docks, the civilians run away in fear, and military forces arrive to fight the Gogg. 4 possible scenarios. 1. A GIM appears and fights the Gogg. 2. Modern military appear and fight the Gogg. 3. Medieval military appear and fight the Gogg. 4. A combination of the GIM and modern military fight the Gogg. And I never planned anything beyond that point. I will be taking a break from stop motion for quite a while. It is currently unknown when I will resume. I might make some stop motion building Lego videos, but that's about it. Now that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.